Hi, I'm back with Duvall Leatherworks. This is actually my fourth piece from them. It has been a while though, so I am super excited about this piece. And it kind of made me reminisce about my first Duvall piece, which was this right size tote. And I was like, I'm going to bring that thing out again because it hasn't been in the rotation a while. If you follow me on Instagram, you know the piece that I use like bar none the most from them is their crossbody, which I'll show to you in a minute. And I have the crossbody original and the crossbody junior. So I'm really excited about this piece because this is the first, it's well taped, super well taped. This is the first accessory piece I have from them. And it's the women's wallet. So, let me get in here. So, here's how it comes packed. Hopefully you're seeing that. Super cute with this little, I appreciate that it's not plastic because we're all trying to move away from plastic. So they have, I guess it's confetti to keep it from wiggling around. Their little tissue paper stamped with their name. Duvall, if you don't know, it's American made out of Pennsylvania. Full grain leather. Holy moly. Let's take a peek. This is so cute. So it actually, look, it matches my purse pretty well, even though my purse is pretty old. It holds its color and the leather ages really well. That's the thing about full grain. So check it out. It's a nice right-sized wallet. Let's open it. Ooh, I like this. They did sort of this rose gold embossing. Simple snap to get in. Oh, it has a lot of credit card slots. I don't know if you're going to be able to see all of this detail, but I'm going to do a couple more. It smells really good. That's the thing about full grain leather. It doesn't have that sort of chemically smell that a lot of that top grain stuff has. It still smells like cow, I guess, for lack of a better word. So it's got two main open slots. This side does not have anything. There's a lot of credit card slots here. A zipper, which is kind of nice for those of us that still carry cash. I actually recently started carrying cash again. I feel like it helps me not spend as much. YKK zipper. Oh, I was wrong. There's actually 4 slots. And then another open slot back here with more credit card slots. And then back here is sort of a hidden tucked away pocket. And I think this is might be what they're referring to when they said sort of the hidden receipt pocket is back there. It's actually 4. Opens accordion style. It's really generous. So I'm super excited. I'm going to drop this into my rotation as always. And then I'm going to keep you posted. Nothing on the outside. Take a peek. On my thoughts after using it. If you have any questions about what fits, how many credit cards I was actually able to squeeze in there, all that good stuff, drop me a note below and I'll make sure that I test it for you and get back to you on my final review. Thank you so much for watching.